Hey guys, showing you this mini carbon monoxide detector. So this is a portable detector to detect your carbon monoxide levels. So it's a very handy and portable. You can see the manual and the pack. This is the holder in the back that you can just use it. Comes with the two batteries. These are two AAA batteries. So you have to just add in the batteries and yeah, just push on the on button and this will start working. So this will detect the carbon monoxide in the room or nearby, and then on and yep, it gets started. So you can do like high and low voice or like the light, and then you can just simply detect.